Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, my name is Tehzeeb Khan from Paradise Hope. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can detect your collision, and you can also detect if you are surrounded that object. So here you can see, here I have three cube. You can see here is a two cube are static, blue one are static, and third one is a dynamic cube. It means you can change your position, your cube position according to your arrow keys and WASD key also. So here you can see here my console. You are not getting any console. You are like not surrounded that cube 1 and cube 2, right? That's why we are not getting. Also we are not hitting that cube, so that's why we are getting not any kind of console, right? Now now I am just surrounded that object. You can see that you can see that message, surrounding area detect around. So cube 1, that is name. So if I collide with object, you can see that collision detected with cube 1. So here we detect the collision also. So here now there's another object, which one is a cube 2. So here if I like go surrounded, you can see the surrounding area detected around, right, cube 2. So you can see here I am not touching that cube, but it is a surrounded that dynamic cube. So that's why we also getting that thing. If I collide this, you can see there is a collision. You can see collision detection detect. So that's the thing. So here is a simple code I will provide you in description below. You can find out in a description or comment section also. So here is a very simple code. I will explain you in next video, but it is just a simple introduction video about how you can detect your collision between two objects. Thank you so much.